put this on the Crawford Court only jurisdiction because Magari's case should have gone.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of ClaArksville, moving south at 25 miles per hour.
ClaArksville.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashland City, ClaArksville, Pleasant View, Van Lair, Sladen, Cedarham, Palmyra, and Cunningham. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 12 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
America's #1 podcast.
What is that found me that OHX is using? ClaArksville. Is it found me? I'm not sure. Whatever it is, they need to change that.